today will be the main topic for is who will ready for Wednesday's game.
Yes, again, we're trying to make do managing minutes of so many players, Kelly and Roger, that we knew that we could be, if it's getting close in the end, that we're going to be at a huge disadvantage because of the depth of San Miguel. So ang usapan lang namin, let's just rely on each other, hang on as much as we can, and find a way to win in the end.
Coach, yung first half mo, grabe yung shooting nyo. Naway ba you expected na fouls at the shooting benches for part of the series were inspiring na eh?
That's what you call the law of averages, right? But still, when our shots were not going in, but they were good looks. And that's what we say on our team. As long as we get good looks, we can live with that. What we could not live with were our turnovers. That's what fueled their run. It's they got what, 20 points of turnovers from us. It's a huge difference. They got 20 points. Can you imagine if we just had cut that in half? Hindi na sana titigil. But that's what we have to address really is our turnovers, because they still had a lot of legs and wind to still put pressure even until the fourth quarter. And kami, hindi na kami masyadong ganun kalakas because like I said, because of all the injuries that we're trying to make.